Hello guys, so you can now see I have an amount of 200 Ghana cedis right now here, okay? And I have a recharge of 150 Ghana cedis on this cool platform here. So it's new and we can start making money together. It's December, Charlie. Let's cash out some money. So let me show you how you can register for free. So use the link in my description for registration, okay? So register for free and earn some cool cash for yourself. While using my link, you're gonna get some cool amount too as well. So let me try to log out and show you how you can register for free. But check under the description, there is a link there. Use that link to register on this cool platform for free. Okay, so once you're using my link, you're gonna get some bonus and it will take you to this page right now here. All you have to do first is to enter your mobile phone number and then go ahead enter a nickname or username for yourself. Please go ahead and create a password for yourself. Using my link, you're going to get the invitation code for free. And just click on send here. There will be a verification code for you to register on this cool platform here. So let me log in to show you guys how you can make a lot of money from this cool platform. Now, first of all, you can come to the investment aspect here where you can make a lot of money from this cool platform. Now, if you have low as 50 Ghana cedis, you can have an investment to earn 5 Ghana cedis each and every day. So you can go through, and the second one to 100 Ghana cedis for 3 days. For the 3 days, you're going to get 180 Ghana cedis for these 3 days. So each and every day, you're going to get 60 Ghana cedis. So we have the VIP 2, we have the VIP 2, which comes in amount of 300 Ghana cedis for 3 days. Each and every day, you're going to get 186 Ghana cedis. For the 3 days, you're going to get 558 Ghana cedis. So we have the stables too as here. So you have the stable which comes in amount of 100 Ghana cedis, and each and every day you are going to get 35 Ghana cedis, and at the end you are going to get 1,225 Ghana cedis. We have another hydrogen energy which have 300 Ghana cedis as an investment. Each and every day you're going to get 108 Ghana cedis for free, and then for 35 days you're going to get 3,780 good amount of money on this cool platform. Now you can make more money by sharing your links. So come to the team aspect here and then click on this copy, share your link with your friends and start making a lot of money. So in case you are also interested in making any deposit to register or make more money with this cool platform, kindly click on the recharge button here. So once you click on the recharge, it's gonna tell you the amount you want to recharge. Okay, so you can go ahead and choose any amount you prefer and choose channel 1 or channel 2. But please note that do not modify the deposit amount. Unauthorized modification to the deposit amount will result in non-deposit. Each deposit must start through this page. Please do not save the payment. If you do not receive deposit within 5 minutes, please contact online customer service. So due to many users depositing, try several times to get the deposit link or try again. Alright, so once you choose any of these links, it's gonna ask you or it's gonna take you for instant recharge. So you can go ahead and use your USDT. So you have to do is just click on instant recharge. So once you click on instant recharge, so in case I put in 100 Ghana cedis right now here and then click on instant recharge. So it's gonna ask me to go and pay. So once I click on go and pay, it's gonna jump into a process and take me to different page for easily cash in. Okay, so here is the method for you to go in. So please use your MOMO Pay or Vodafone. After completing the repayment, please backfill your transaction or you have to take a screenshot, and if you do not backfill, your payment will not be reviewed quickly. So take a screenshot and click on I know and continue to repay. Okay, so this is going to help you to make a lot of money from this cool platform too as well. So in case you want to recharge, now let's check to know how you can get to contact the customer service. So once you click on the service button here, it's going to ask you to chat with any of their Telegram service personnel for any assistance in case you have problem with any of the indicators on this platform. So in case you want to make a recharge or deposit, in case you want to make a withdrawal, the most interested part, all you have to do is just click on the withdrawal aspect here and it's going to ask you to bind your account. Now in case you want to bind your account or in case you find it very you don't know how to go by it, all you have to do is just come to this aspect, click on the withdrawal aspect here, or you can go ahead and bind the account. So click on the bind account. So it's going to ask you select the bank. So MTN, Tigo, Airtel, Tigo. So I prefer to go in for MTN and then enter my account name. So of course my account name should be this, okay, and then enter my account number, which is your mobile money number. Okay, so in case you want to withdraw it to a USDT TRC20, you have to go in by that method and enter your wallet address and enter your trade password. Now as you're registering, it's gonna tell you to enter a trade password. Of course, you're going to use that password to make your withdrawals anytime. So go ahead and enter a trade password for yourself, and remember to keep that trade password in mind whenever you want to make a withdrawal from this cool platform here. So you can only add a bank account or for withdrawals. Please ensure that the bank contacts or the bank account are correct and functioning properly. So make sure to do that and have a successful withdrawal. Still, my money is in. So I'm going ahead to withdraw this money from this cool platform. Very exciting. So let me go ahead and withdraw, and let me bind my account too as well. So let me select MTN and 200 Ghana cedis. And let's say this should be my name. Okay, so my name is here, Sir Henry, and then I have to withdraw this amount of money. All right, so this let me say account number 02469848815, right? Good. And have to input in my name at this section, and Sir Henry, good. And have to input in my that. So let me click on add bank. So it says my trade name is incorrect, so let me go ahead, enter a valid one, of course, and click on bank. So it says bank card added successfully. So let me save the password and then request for withdrawal. So I want to request for 200 Ghana cedis. Okay, let's say 150, let's say 350 Ghana cedis. Let's say I want to request for 350 Ghana cedis, and enter my amount here, my trade password. Of course, you have to remember that, and then select MTN. Okay, so that is it. So it is actually processing for withdrawals. So MTN. Okay, so let's tap on it, request withdrawal. So let me go ahead and withdraw 200 Ghana cedis, 200 Ghana cedis, and proceed with the process. So it says that application for withdrawal successful. So let's check in the bank account and see. You can see the 200 Ghana cedis is gone. That means I'm actually withdrawing the amount from this account. So Charlie, go ahead and make some cool cash for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem, just contact the customer service, and it's gonna take good care of you out there. I hope to see you in my next